Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy Orukwe, and welcome to Everything and Anything with Joy. So, here I'm going to the train station. I'm taking a train from Lagos to Ibadan, and this is me on my way. Okay, so here I am at the train station at the Babatunde Fashola train station at Agege. So this is the ticket office. This is where I am going to get my tickets. And yeah, I joined the queue waiting for my turn. And here are the prices for first class, business class, standard class, and So here I am going to be getting a ticket for the standard class, which is 3,600 naira. Voila, here is my ticket. So after getting this ticket, I'm going to register my details. That's my name, my phone number, my next of kin, and all. So yeah, I proceeded into the waiting section. So this is like where you get to wait till the train arrives, or I don't know, till the train is ready. So yeah, that's it. I mean, inside is really beautiful and it is neat. I like it. I mean, it's spacious also, and yeah, that's the VIP lounge. I think for those that bought the first class ticket. So yeah, I decided to check the restroom, and it is really neat. I mean, for a public toilet, this is really neat. I mean, they did well. So yeah, I just got my tickets and everything. The train will be moved by 4 p.m. So I have like 10 minutes to just, get ready before board. So like so far, I think that it's really smooth. Like I got here, went to the tickets office, queue, got my tickets, and it was really smooth. And the place is neat, and I mean the officers were really cool. I mean, it was just they did their job, not too much familiarity, no hostility or whatever. So yeah. So we're waiting for the train to arrive so we can board. That's it. So they made an announcement earlier that there would be delay due to, I think, technical issue. I don't know. I mean, like I've been like waiting for about 30 minutes. Earlier I said I was waiting for 10 minutes. Now it's like almost 40 minutes that I've been like waiting, and alongside others and all of that. But I don't know. So the thing is, the train takes off at Yaba train station, then comes here to Agege station to pick the passengers at Agege. You get. So, and they said it has not even left Yaba station at all. But anyways, I'm still bent on taking this train. I'm not going to like opt for bus or another means of transport. I'm still going to take this train. So I'm waiting. I mean, with the rest. Okay, so I'll update you on any other thing that happens. You get. Yeah, we got an announcement that the train was arriving like soon, so we should all pack our bags and baggages outside. Yeah, so that's it. Here comes the train. I mean, this train looks nice. I like the decoration. I mean, the color, the old sticker thing, the Indomie stuff. I mean, it's nice. Outside looks nice. So we boarded, and there was number issue at first because some people that were coming from the Yaba station already took our seats, and yeah. So yeah, the train just stopped. Like inside of the train really looks nice. It looked really nice, and yeah, people were trying to like keep their bags up and all of that. And all of a sudden, the train stopped. So we just boarded, and I don't know. The train has not started moving. I don't know why that is. Though. I don't know why that is. So we're just waiting for the train to move. I was already hungry, and I already called my friend who had initially boarded the train, and she told me, oh, they don't serve anything on the train. So while I was going to the train station, I got some oranges, some bananas, and watermelon. Why would I travel on a 2-hour journey without eating? That's not possible. So after I had water, yeah. After eating, I went to the restroom to wash my hands, and I'm like, oh, let me take the video of the restroom. Inside was really clean. It's clean, really. This is like an hour, 40 minutes. It's already late. It's already dark outside. And I'm like so tired. And I was sleeping. But it was really relaxing because inside was cool. Welcome to Ibadan. So yeah, I've gotten to Ibadan, and yeah, all I can say is the ride was really smooth, and I enjoyed every moment. And I'm happy I took the train. No regrets. I'm happy I took the train. I just hope that the Nigerian government continues to maintain the standard, and everything continues to go smooth like this and even better. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you.